Pypes Exhaust has Mandrel bent stainless steel exhausts for your Buick GS and Skylark, Chevrolet Chevelle and El Camino, Pontiac Tempest, GTO, Grand Prix, and Le Mans, Oldsmobile 442 and Cutlass, Starting at the front, we have downpipes designed for manifold or header back. We also make collector reducers that fit full-length headers with a 3-bolt flange connection. Our crossmember back exhaust kits are available in 2.5 or 3-inch. Some options are available in fully polished 304 stainless steel. X or H. Choose between an X pipe, H pipe, or non-crossover pipe. Choose from our 4 muffler designs that each provide a unique tone. Details like flow ratings and descriptions can be found on our website. Upgrade your kit with our electric cutouts that can be used with our X-Change X pipe. Tips are available in 2.5 or 3-inch. They have a polished 304 stainless OEM look. All of our products are backed by a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or call 1-800-421-3890. Get your ride pipes equipped today.